Hey guys, Kyle with Lone Peak here. This video is about how to install your roof vent fan fairing. Please note these things are made out of aluminum composite and they're a little bendy and they can shift in shipping. So we want to make sure that you guys install this correctly. So if you get your fairing like this and it's not sitting flush on a flat surface like this, you need to make some adjustments to it. One thing you don't want to do is bend this back and forth. This is aluminum. Aluminum does not like to be stressed back and forth like that because then it'll end up breaking. So you want to make small adjustments to it. And the goal is basically just to get these flaps flat. And so we can do that by making some adjustments to the actual flaps themselves, like so. And then also some actual adjustments to here. So ideally, when we put a little bit of pressure on this, we want these to be sitting flat. That is step number one and super important, because if you don't, there's going to be pressure on these, and when you put it onto your truck, especially if it's cold out, it's not going to stay put. It's going to lift up. So once we get this flattened out, step two is we're going to do a test fit. So climb on top of your truck and align it in front of your roof vent fan. Spin this around, kind of show you what this looks like. Obviously this is lifted up, so this will be more flat like this. So do a test fit, make sure you like where you're going to place it, and then it is time to clean. Isopropyl alcohol is what we recommend. Clean it up really well. That allows the VHB tape the best chance to stick to your roof. Note, this would be better if it is warmer. So if you have a heated garage, you can do this in. VHB adheres better in warmer temperatures. It's winter, we get it, it's not ideal. This stuff still does stick if it's outside. We're doing this on the lot right now with some of our campers. It's just best if it's warm. After you do that, you're gonna peel off the red tape, which is actually kind of difficult to do. You might need to use a razor knife to pry it up a little bit. We actually did this at our Christmas party last year because it is so difficult and maddening. After you do that, do not touch the VHB. It'll lose its stickiness if you do that. Take off the red tape, put it in the spot where you liked it, and press down and hold on all of the corners. And that's basically how you install this thing. If you have any other questions, please let us know. Team@lonepeakoverland.com.